and we sealed the deal. I'm so pumped right now. We had about 3 or 4 gobbling on the tree when we came in here. It's only been jakes, and there was one 5 to 6 incher in here the last time we were here. We actually sat in the woods. So I sat in the field this morning because that's where they went to. And from the minute I got in here a little bit late, they were gobbling their heads off. I called a couple times. I only brought one decoy in with me, a hen, and I set her about 40 yards from me just because it's been a crazy year and they've been super tight-lipped. And most of my buddies are saying the same thing for the most part. But he ended up coming in. He was about 30 yards. I used my 20 pin and I bounced right off the bottom of him. And he wasn't real affected by it. He went back about 6 yards and he was strutting, and the rest of them were strutting with him. I ended up reloading. I shot him about 40, hit him right where you're supposed to, pinned him to the ground. First one ever with the bow, so I'm super stoked. He's got a good beard. He's definitely got some good spurs, and I'm super happy to finish the season off strong. First one ever with the bow. Let's go.